Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it is such an exciting video for me to do, as you can already see that I got a 9 kg courier box from India sent by my grandma. So I don't want to waste any more time and let's just open it. And just to shoot this video, I got ready in this Indian wear saree. It got delivered just now, like a minute ago, 5 minutes ago, and I don't know, I'm actually fasting today and I felt like I don't want to do anything today and just rest for some time, because this box has so many of delicious things and which I can't actually eat nor taste. So I thought I'll do it later tomorrow, or I don't know, or maybe in the evening. But then I have decided that I waited like 12 to 15 days to receive this. Why not open it up? So that's it. And about the courier details, she sent it from Guntur. So all the price and everything I'll just mention in the description, or because I don't know how exactly it worked or how much she had paid. But for these 8 kgs, 9 kgs, she paid around 7,000 or 6,550 or something. And she sent it from, I don't know, I'll put the details here. I don't know if you could see this or not. If you could see this or not. I get the whole masala and ghee smell. Okay, here it is. I asked her to send all of these biryani spices because I don't have them. And as it is expensive in Germany. And Sri Gruha Foods. I know what's inside, but I'm excited to taste. As I can't taste, I'm just gonna show it to you people. It smells delicious. You know what I mean? So many. Oh my god, it's dry fruit putarekulu with jaggery. I have to wait till 6 o'clock to taste that. And of course, this, I'll tell you a little story behind this, because it's 7.5 kgs and she had to fill something up to make it 8 kgs, and then she got this new rice cooker, as pressure cooker, as now it's not working pretty well these days. So it's just an addition. That's it. There's nothing much special about this cooker anyway. And this is also something which I'm looking forward. Agarbatti petkunedanamata. I don't have it for many days. I just started putting it into one random cup. And inside the cooker we got I think she's just trying to fill this weight. I got this kandipapu. She wrote it so cutely. I think weight taggindi anukunta. So ghee, I love this homemade ghee. Before it used to be so different that we used to get milk from someone. It's like a pure buffalo milk, but now we are only getting this packet milk antam kada, red and blue. Ade vastundi. From that also she stored all of this and sent me the ghee, homemade pure ghee from my grandma. All of these are from my grandma. And tamarind paste. Ikkada I bought it in one of the Indian store. It tasted so much of like sweet than pulpy kind, this tangy flavor that's not there in that tamarind paste. So I felt okay, it's not giving a better addition for my rasam or sambar. So I wanted this Indian made tamarind paste. So I asked her to send me that, and she did. This I don't know. I think I'll show it to you later. Please guess it and comment in the comment box. And this chikralu. All sweet items and hot items. She sent everything. This is when you are getting a courier from Guntur, it is mandatory to get chili powder, right? It's chili powder. I don't know which one she sent, but usually she doesn't like the other brands like Three Mangoes ila untai. Avi emi nachadu. She get all of these chilies and she made the chili powder at home and then she'll send it to me usually. But I don't know which one this has. I'll open it, but not now. A few more products inside, but I can't just reveal it now. Ariselo. When I asked her, I want పూతరేకులు అని చెప్తే అదొక్కటేనా ఇంకేం వద్దా చెప్పు, నేనేమన్నా చేసి పంపిస్తాను అంది. No, I don't want any of them, it's fine, పూతరేకులు ఒక్కటి చాలు అని అంటే దెన్ ఇట్స్ లైక్ we don't have many things. I only want few things which are just like 3 or 2 kgs, but these courier boys, they just told me that they can't courier below 7 kgs. So below 7 kgs avadu ani she bought it till 8 kgs. So that is a major thing. So she made 8.5 kgs right now, and even if it is 100 grams more than 8 kg, you have to pay for the whole kg. I think I don't know how much it is. So she told, I'll prepare something for you as it's been 2 years that you came home. So she prepared this ariselu and chakralu for me. And mostly pickles, karam anni aame chesindi, but I'm just talking about special items. Tomato pickle. Actually, I like the pickles which she prepare, and in all of these 5 years of my Germany life, I have never purchased any pickles in any Indian store, like except one, which is gongura pandumirchi pickle. But that was, I think I was habituated with that pickle by one of my other friends. Karthik, వాడు నాకు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశాడు. So from then on, I started purchasing that one pickle. In recent times, when my tomato pickle, which I bought when I'm coming to Germany from India, it's finished, it's done. So I asked her to send it again, and here it is. I'm excited to taste all this, but not now. Avakaya. Summer ante mangoes ఎలాగో టేస్ట్ చేశాను మొన్ననే. Now it's time for some avocado this season. And I don't know why I have 2 packets of ariselu. I don't know. Open చేసి చూస్తే కానీ క్లారిటీ రాదు. అండ్ ఇది నేను మీకు చెప్తాను, ఈ పల్లి చెక్క ఉంది కదా, దిస్ ఈజ్ లైక్ వెన్ షీ వెంట్ టు టేక్ దిస్ పూతరేకులు, అప్పటికే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 7 kgs అయిపోయింది. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ షీ వాంటెడ్ టు యాడ్ సమ్ మోర్ అని చెప్పి వెన్ షీ వెంట్ టు టేక్ దిస్ స్వీట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆ స్వీట్ షాప్, షీ సా దిస్ అండ్ షీ ఫెల్ లైక్ ఓకే, ఇది నచ్చుతుంది మా అమ్మాయికి, ఇది కూడా తీసుకుంటా అని చెప్పి లాస్ట్లో ఈ 2 యాడ్ చేసింది. ఇట్స్ అన్ ఎడిషన్. అండ్ ఇంకా కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి, బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోనా రివీల్ ఇట్ రైట్ హియర్. అదంతా ఒక ఎడిషనల్ వీడియో చేస్తాను నేను దాన్ని బట్టి. యా దిస్ అండ్ ఇందులో ఉన్న కొన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఐ విల్ రివీల్ ఇట్ సూన్. బట్ అయితే ఏదో ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. ఐ థింక్ దిస్ అసలు ఐ వాంట్ క్రాస్ చెక్ ఏది ఏంటి అని. రెండు ఓపెన్ చేయలేం, బట్ that's something bad. Okay, whatever. I mean, if I open all of them, I'll just also put those clips here at the end maybe. And I think I have covered all of the details about my courier and what I have received in this box and who sent me this, and the price details, and I'll also put a screenshot or the description or something in the description box relatable to this courier service. And this one specifically I bought it from DPD, not from a DHL. I don't know, many of my friends, they said DPD people, they take more of a charges again, like custom charges, custom clearance cheyadaniki, but luckily they didn't charge me anything more. But I have few issues when I'm getting this box from Guntur. Like they didn't agree most of the products, you know. నాకు కొన్ని ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే డ్రైడ్ లీవ్స్ ఉంటుంది కదా, కర్రీ లీవ్స్, అవి కూడా వాళ్ళు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయలేదు. దే సెడ్ నో వీ కాంట్ సెండ్ ఇట్. అండ్ ఈ మసాలా ఐటమ్స్లో కూడా ఇంకొకటి ఏదో ఉంటుంది, జాజికాయ అంటాము, అది కూడా వాళ్ళు పంపించలేము మేము, అది తీసేసేయండి అని చెప్పారు. సో దే రిజెక్టెడ్ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ దేర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. అండ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ దెమ్, ఓకే ఏమన్నా కస్టమ్స్ క్లియర్ చేసుకోవాలి, పే చేసుకోవాలి అంటే నేను చూసుకుంటాను, ప్లీజ్ మీరు అక్కడ నుంచి పంపించండి. ఐ టోల్డ్ హిమ్ టు డూ దట్. అండ్ మేబీ ఏం సెండ్ చేశారో ఏం చేయలేదో నేను కూడా, నాకు తెలియదు ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా వాట్ షీ హ్యాడ్ కొరియర్డ్ మీ. సో ఐ జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ టు హ్యావ్ అ కాల్ విత్ హర్, make a call with her, and then I have to decide on what I have received. But so far that's it, and I think I'm gonna be and that's it for the video. I hope you all love my video and give a big thumbs up, and I am up for many more videos coming up. There are so many videos that were shot already and just need some little editing, and I hope you have fun with this video. And for all the details about this courier, you could just directly ping me, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel SolivSoul 33.